My people, how are they? Welcome to today's Ogboge News. My name is Stephen A.U. David, the Aramialu one of the universe. My people, today we get some Ogboge news we want to discuss. We want to talk about the vaccine we say in the maternal hand. You understand? The vaccine matter. So we want to talk about them. But before we go inside the video, make una subscribe in case you never subscribe. But if you don't first subscribe, God bless you. Leave it like that, God bless you. But when you will never subscribe, you can do that now. Subscribe, so that you understand that. My people, we don't see and say many people don't take the vaccine when it say a day. We don't see and say our president say you want to encourage us make we take the vaccine. Now with the old vice president Osinbajo, Buhari Osinbajo, understand? Hey, now they come out, they can't take the vaccine. I don't get problem with that. I'd say make a time and say at least when I come out take the vaccine. When I take the vaccine, when I don't hide for this one. When I don't hide for this one, when I come back, constantly take the vaccine true. Say the vaccine, it do okay. I don't get problem with that one. Hey, for I they tell you, for the vaccine matter, if your mind catch me, you go take them. Because the matter when they talk, they say they want use until slow the transmission. Say people take them now, they don't go. You understand that? You go prevent them. See this spread down. Now the matter now be that one, so that people know quick they get them. So you feel go take another problem. When you go take your own vaccine, so that you go come out free for the matter. But the matter when it day for inside when we talk, as this matter don't they go. Now we see say Vanguard come talk and say Nigeria they want use 10.6 billion naira to transport the vaccine from Abuja to each of the states. Now we say 10.6 billion naira. So sometimes we began to see why things they happen for Nigeria like that. But thank God say they constantly come out play the essay, say na lie, say the matter they don't want to spend that kind of money. Say even though say they want transport and go Bodo, they don't fit spend that kind of money. But the matter be say we from here they watch them from Prisma TV. Say at the thing they do go with the see if we go still know how much we don't spend because we know how the thing they be. Even though say na denial, we will still they know say na so the matter they be. But the matter when it dey inside now, my people, and the matter when it be say they shock everybody for the matter when it dey. As me with you they speak now, the whole world don't they go into what we call vaccine passport. Now the vaccine passport be the latest one now when it dey board. So some people don't they call me, they ask me, hey you David, how you see this vaccine matter when it be say the passport don't they come back, vaccine passport how it be, when it be say now good thing all this thing. Me I want to tell you now waiting me I think about the vaccine passport. It really they waiting because they make this video now. Because I want to tell you say the only country when it be say don't approve for the whole world na China. So China, only China don't launch the vaccine passport. So they don't launch their own. They see them for their soul. They don't launch them. But the EU don't talk and say make them use 3 months to test run their this thing to try produce the vaccine passport. France on their own they say they want to try biometric own. They want to do the one we be say you go the day you feed the hold on if you day your phone. So when they talk about vaccine passport, what do you mean? Definitely waiting that they talk about a certificate when it be say you don't take on. If you watch well now you will see say you don't say I don't reason. That's our president. After they give president they can't give a certificate. That's more card say take, you don't take vaccine. Now this one that they put into passport now. The reason according to waiting they find it. For now as we talk now, you can't move from country A to country B without do corona test. Say you get negative before you can fly to anywhere. You must get that test. Say na negative, na you be. So people now when we say they can't take the vaccine, how they want to pass because you don't take vaccine now you don't go do test again. They show them for airport say you be negative or you be positive. So because you don't take vaccine, so how they go show? So they come they issue certificate. Say if you reach airport now, reach anywhere you want travel, where they supposed show negative, say you not get them, then you can show that certificate vaccine. Say I don't take vaccine. See the certificate, so they will come let you pass because now negative people they show now. So they will come show that one. So that waiting that they translate put into make out as passport. It don't mean say when you get that thing you go you substitute your national passport. No, you don't substitute your national passport. That one your certificate say you don't take vaccine. Instead of when you do coronavirus test get negative, say hold on for her. Now that passport now you come home say I don't take vaccine. People come dey ask say why. I want tell you because the truth of the matter na be this one. I know say some people don't go like wetin I dey talk, so some people go fight me for this one, but I not dey support anybody. I know they tell you say they will, I know they tell you say no they will, but the one wey me dey talk as the matter be na they explain am. So now country A, when e be say the thing dey their country, they come dey fight am, they come dey give injection that say vaccine. Now that country A no go allow you wetin they don fight reach some certain level, you dey come from another country, you no gree take from your own country, then they will allow you to carry and enter their country. No, nobody will allow you that one to happen. Say wetin they don fight reach some certain level, they don close down their country. At the end of the day, they will just allow you because you no gree take am, they will allow you to enter their country like that. They no go gree. So that is the reason why we say they say you must show something say you don take am. For now when it be say they never vaccinate many people, but you go show your negative say I no get. But when they don't have vaccination percentage of citizen, you will have to show that certificate say I don't want. So that the matter when you deport na be that one for this vaccine issue. You know Nigeria president, even before they start the vaccination, they don't already talk and say without them you know who fit travel. Now it make me go to tell you now. Because if you want move now, you want do anything, make you know wetin dey. Now the matter now be that one. My people, as we see that one reach now, God, I don't forget this one. Una don't hear wetin happen say fuel for Nigeria. This one don't shock me. Fuel for Nigeria now. The government, you know, the fuel they increase. Now they sell fuel for Nigeria 212 naira per liter. Can you imagine that one? Country where they produce oil producing nation, then they sell fuel 212 naira per liter. Now the government they tell us the reason why the thing increase that time. The thing where they say they want to remove subsidy, now that they tell us say subsidy still dey. We don't understand subsidy still dey. Why the fuel come dey increase? Why do they subsidize a community and the community they increase? So that the matter when it dey now, because everybody don't declare now as the matter they go for our Bodo country before Buhari come out. If you put them for 500, if you put them for 1,000, now the matter when it dey now be that one. As we don't talk this one, now we see this one. NSC, you know, let Nigeria, when everybody they shout say minimum wage, it not be take home wage, you not get anything when they do. Now the federal government they can't say okay, they want increase them, they can't increase them to 30,000 naira minimum wage, 30,000 naira a month. Now some states pay, some states not agree pay. Now this matter as they dey now one, I don't know, I don't understand. I don't just understand. So that one lawmaker go come out. It talk and say may they remove the law, may they remove it from exclusive list to concurrent list, which means the state government now the law first be say then go every workers in Nigeria their salary must not below 30,000 per month. If you are private sector, you employ up to 5 persons, you must not pay below 30,000, and it's a law, including the state government, the private sector, and everything. So what did this man they talk now? This man they talk and say the money too big, 30,000 minimum wage too big. Say make them remove her from the law, federal government law. Just put them there. So the state and everybody, the state, the private sector will now decide how much they fit pay. Now we know even the 30,000 when they talk, not fit buy anything for Nigeria. A bag of rice is about 45,000. When it be say Joe Biden, as we dey talk now, Joe Biden don't put American minimum wage as $15 per hour. $15 per hour. That means in 4 hours, American workers will work the amount of money that Nigerian worker will receive in 1 month. In 4 hours, American worker will receive the same amount of money that a Nigerian workers will receive in 1 month. Just 4 hours. Now you are telling us, say that money is still too big for people. Now that they ask you, they ask you, they ask you now, tell us how much you they receive, how much be lawmakers' salary. All the governor, their staff, their domestic staff and the rest, how much is their salary? When it be say, una say the citizen, not they, imagine they, instead they talk as if say, I get, I beg, maybe just leave this place. Maybe we leave this, maybe leave out. And the verse, my people, as we see and reach, now we can't talk on. I beg, we will go to the other news.